Here's the narration version of your text, edited for a smooth flow and professional delivery. It seems like having the word badger in your name gives you some sort of superpower or something. American badgers are a distant cousin of the honey badger, but they're no less vicious. They dominate coyotes, bears, cougars, you name it, and they don't even look like they're trying most of the time. Let's dive into some unbelievable moments that showcase their wild side. While digging with reckless abandon, an American badger came face to face with a curious mountain lion. Perplexed by this pint-sized powerhouse, the cougar made the mistake of getting too close. The badger, not one for unexpected visitors, turned around and snarled with a ferocity that would make a demon blush. Charging at the cougar, it sent the big cat running with its tail between its legs. Lesson learned: size isn't everything. In another encounter, a cougar ambushed a badger and tried to assert its dominance. It grabbed the badger, attempting to bite its neck. But the badger's thick, tough hide made it nearly impossible. The cougar, visibly frustrated, realized it was in over its head and retreated, leaving the badger unscathed and victorious. Even a grizzly bear wasn't prepared for the fight it picked. The bear, used to being the big shot, tried to intimidate the badger with growls and posturing. The badger, unimpressed, charged at the giant predator. Caught off guard, the bear backed down, humbled by a creature less than half its size. Fate wasn't kind to two coyotes that thought they could outsmart a lone badger. They attacked from both sides, but the badger quickly separated the pair and launched a counterattack worthy of a battlefield general. The coyotes fled, their egos bruised and their pride shattered. Even the so-called toughest dogs, like pit bulls, are no match for a badger's defense. In one clip, a pit bull tried to attack a badger but couldn't find a way through its impenetrable guard. The badger kept control the entire time, leaving the dog to reconsider its choices. In the wilderness, badgers don't tolerate intrusions. One encounter involved a group of dog owners who stumbled upon a badger. The animal advanced like a tank, forcing the group to retreat before things turned ugly. Coyotes, lynxes, and even wolverines have all tried and failed to outmatch badgers. Their relentless energy, unmatched courage, and sheer tenacity make them formidable opponents, even for animals much larger than themselves. Badgers also demonstrate their dominance in surprising ways. One even stole a rabbit from a lynx, an unheard-of reversal of roles. They've taken on rattlesnakes, prairie dogs, and even humans who dared to challenge them, proving time and time again that they are the ultimate underdogs. Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another wild adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. This script keeps the flow natural and engaging while highlighting the key moments of the text. Let me know if you'd like further adjustments,